Put your glasses on, Pauline, and look at this hairline. Look at the hairline. Catfish, here I come. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and today we are sipping on detox water. Yes, your girl had a detox this week, so no wine from me today. So if you are sipping on some adult drinky drink today, sip some for your girl. Okay. Ugh. It's the lemon water for me. Now, before we get into the slay that is this install, okay, because I know you see me, okay? I know you see me sitting, as well as the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
DC and I can make you a believer. Pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap, rap like this. Pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap. Shawty got a big old butt. Oh yeah. DC and I can make you a believer. Pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap, rap like this. Pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap. Shawty got a big old butt. Oh yeah.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyFirstWig. It is their LAURASIA unit. It also comes in a silky or a Yaki texture, 10 to 20 inches, and 130% density. Now, depending on the specs you choose for your unit, you can be a little bit on the pricier side for the pockets, but let me go ahead and tell you guys what you get with this unit for that price point, okay? You get ear-to-ear 13x6 Swiss lace, okay? A very well pre-plucked hairline, bleached knots, and a specialty color if you feeling a little spicy, okay? Get it. And y'all know how I feel about Burgundy, okay? You know Burgundy is me. So when they reached out and wanted me to try this unit, you know I went on and hopped on that joint. Giddy up. You know how I feel. You know how I feel about the Burgundy. Now, even though this unit is 130% density, because I did get the Yaki texture for mine, it does feel a little bit thicker. It also has cut layers up in this joint. Let me show you, okay? So I bring all the hair to the front like this. It's giving me that late 90s, you know, layered look. I like that, okay? I really do like that, y'all. I didn't do anything special to this unit as far as the hairline is concerned. All I did was glue her down and cut the lace off. That is it. I didn't pluck anything, okay? You know my fingers get to going real quick, but I didn't pluck anything on this unit, y'all. This unit is sitting real nice. Y'all see, look at the hairline. Put your glasses on, Pauline, and look at this hairline. Look at the hairline. You know I'm feeling her. It's Burgundy. I have yet to try a Burgundy wig that I don't like. Okay, so just so you know, I'm gonna be hype, okay? I'm gonna be hype. I did not wash my unit before I installed her, so just be mindful of that. You may get some bleed out with this unit because it is a pre-colored unit. It shouldn't be a lot though, because touching this unit, I'm not getting any bleed out on my hands. And normally when I have a unit that bleeds out, the color transfers to my hand with a dry touch. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit when I went in to curl and style her, but it was very, very minimum, and I have not gotten any tangles. Now I did get the large cap size for my big old dome, and even though it says it's like a 22.5 to I think 23 or something like that, but it is a little short on my sides because that 22.5, it gets me every time. Okay, so it stops a little short over here on my sides right here. It doesn't come all the way forward into my hairline by my ear tabs. However, the way I was able to finesse this joint, for me, I'm not complaining, and I won't. Why? Because look at me. Now, I did get 16 inches from my unit, and it comes down just at my chest. This is how she's looking to the side, and then this is how she's looking to the back. I have nothing negative to say about this unit, y'all. The lace is bomb and melts down perfectly. I barely use any product around my lace because it was pretty much already melted when I took the wrap off. What they be doing on TikTok, what they be saying? Tell me you slay the wig without telling me you slay the wig. Come on, right here. What y'all thinking? If you had the coin, okay? If you had the coin, Cindy, to buy this unit, would you? Slay or nay? Okay, catfish, here I come. Moving and grooving, y'all. She moving and grooving. Listen, I'm this hype without wine, so imagine if I had my wine today. I would be acting a fool. Now, I don't think I have a coupon for this unit, but if I do, you know I got you. You know, I'm gonna drop her down below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. But they usually have like really good sales on their site, so maybe you'll catch a sale. But if not, Christmas is coming up, okay? Christmas is around the corner. I started counting down already. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. All my specs and the direct link for the unit will be listed down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.